Dookie. Okay, folk. Oh, good people. What's good with you? Yeah, buddy, we done made it to Friday. Happy Friday to you. Yeah. Hope you have a great weekend and all that good stuff. Yeah. Make sure you get yourself outside and get you some of this nature. Cause I'm gonna be outside. You better believe that. Check me out on my other channel, Skull and Bones. Yeah, buddy. But make sure you subscribe to this channel first, then subscribe to my other channel. Yeah. But kinfolk, we finally got our grinding stone. Look at that. Look at that. Compared to that. Look at that. I finally got a new grinding stone, kinfolk. Yeah. But check this out. Check this out. Look at that build up. That's some build up. Hopefully, after I scrape that off, hold on. After I scrape that off, hopefully it'll fit. Cause right now it's a little bit to the side. It won't fit. It won't fit all the way. So we're gonna scrub that stuff up out of there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shaking baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's how Doodle Pad was created. With the little magnetic shavings. Yeah. Dookie. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Dookie. Good to go, Joe. Yeah.